everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share this very wearable yet glamorous copper eyes paired with nude lips for Christmas. But surely you can pair this look with your favorite red lipstick and pair it with one of your favorite winter outfits and you'll be looking amazing on Christmas. Make sure you subscribe and let's get started. So before doing any kind of makeup, make sure that you well prep your skin. So today I am going to use this Garnier Vitamin C Serum, which I am currently using, and I have got really good results after using this product, guys. It is definitely going to work on your acne marks, and it has worked really well on my pigmentation spots that I have on my skin. So that's a reason I'm currently enjoying this one, and you can see it has added a lot of glow at the same time hydration to my skin. So make sure that you well prep your skin. Now it's time to apply a moisturizer, for which I am using Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer. So this is also a very affordable moisturizer, easy to work with, and if you have any type of skin, you are definitely going to love it. It is having completely gel water-based formula, and it contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. Now it's time to prep your lips, for which I am using a Maybelline Baby Lips Lip Balm in the shade Highline Wine, which moisturizes my lips and add that beautiful tint. For the brows, I'm using Europe Girl Paris 3D Sculpt Eyebrow Kit, my staple eyebrow kit which I use on an everyday basis. So using the middle shade and with the help of the applicator it comes with, I'm going to outline my brows at the same time fill it in. And you can see it's having beautiful pigmentation, easy to work with. So it's a complete hassle-free kind of product with which you can do your eyebrows very fast on the go. So I really like using this product on my brows. Taking a spoolie, I'm going to well distribute the product on all over my brows, and you can see my brows are looking really bold. And for any kind of special occasion makeup looks, you just need bold looking eyebrows. Now it's time to prime my skin, for which I'm using another of my favorite ones, and it's the Maybelline Fit Me DV Plus Smooth Primer, a beautiful hydrating cream based primer. And it just makes my skin so plumped, so hydrated, moisturized, soft. At the same time, my skin look like marinated from inside. So that's the reason I absolutely love this primer. It's not a pore filling primer, but it adds that beautiful hydration, at the same time tackiness, which helps in sticking my foundation really well. For the foundation today, I'm going to mix these two shades from the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Plus Concealer, 06 Sand Beige and 07 Sand. So Sand Beige is actually my skin color, but for the winter months I prefer to mix the two and apply this, and it gives me a beautiful coverage, easy to work with. And you can see it is having full coverage, but it doesn't look like a full coverage foundation on the skin because of the finish. So it looks so beautiful. It is having a kind of filtered, blurry kind of finish on the skin, which is so perfect for any kind of special occasion looks. And for the brides out there, guys, this is the foundation that you should definitely check out, because it's going to look amazing on your skin. For the concealer, I am using L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade 312 Amber. It is also a full coverage concealer. So I'm going to use a little bit of this in the inner part, outer part of my eyes, just on my eyelid, on the bridge of my nose, and blending the same with the help of a damp beauty sponge. And you can see it's having full coverage, so easy to work with, and it leaves a beautiful kind of radiant glowy finish underneath my eyes, which looks so beautiful for any kind of winter makeup look. So that's the reason I love it. You can surely use this product if you are searching for a very close dupe of the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is the concealer that you can definitely try out. So now, in order to set my concealer, I'm going to use a compact powder. So during the winter months, I don't use a lot of powders on my face. Just a little bit of this is enough, because I just need to set my T-zone and my concealer where I get most of the oiliness on my face. So I'm using this Sugar Dream Cover Mattifying Compact, which is having matte finish, but it doesn't look like a cakey, overly mattifying powder on my face. So I really like it. Now it's time to move on to the eyes, for which I'm using Mars I Belong to Your Purse eyeshadow palette in the shade Soft Glam. Very affordable yet really good quality eyeshadow palette. At first I'm going to use this rusty brown shade from the palette, warm brown shade, and with the help of a fluffy blending brush I'm going to apply it in my crease and also a little bit all over my crease and blend it really well. And this is how I'm creating my transition shade. Now I'm going to use this deeper brown shade, more of a brown which is having burgundy undertones. So I'm going to use it in the outer 2/3 of my eyes and drag it towards my crease and blend it really well with my transition shade so that it helps in creating a beautiful kind of gradient on my eyelid. Taking the previous shade, that is the rusty brown shade, I'm going to blend out the edges one more time so that there is no harsh lines. So this kind of eye look needs a little bit of blending. At the same time, it's very easy to create. Taking this beautiful shimmery copper shade from the palette, I'm going to apply it on all over my eyelid with the help of my fingertips. It's a very soft shadow, guys. It's so easy to work with, and you can see any kind of fallouts on my face. Taking my Faces Canada Kajal, I'm going to tightline my upper waterline, and for my lower waterline, I'm going to use a nude eye pencil because a nude eye pencil helps in opening my eyes. That's the reason I'm using this LA Girl Shockwave metallic eyeliner, and I'm going to use this particular shade called Lalabahi and going to tightline my lower waterline with it. Now I'm going to take this rusty matte brown shade from the palette, and with the help of a smudging brush, I'm going to apply it in my lower lash line, just all over my lower lash line, followed by that dark burgundy brown shade. I'm going to apply it in the outer 2/3 of my lower lash line. Taking this champagne shade from the palette, I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eyes and also going to apply it on my brow bone to highlight my brow bone. And you can see the shades are so pigmented, at the same time easy to work with, no patchiness, blotchiness. And now for the eyeliner, I'm going to use this matte signature liquid eyeliner by L'Oreal Paris, which I have recently purchased, and it's a beautiful one stroke liquid eyeliner, and it gives you 100% matte finish. The only downside of this product is that it is having such a weird smell, which I don't at all like, but the eyeliner is a really good one. So for the mascara today, I'm using Maybelline Lash Lift Hydrofuge mascara, and I really like this mascara because it's very long lasting. It holds into my curls really well, at the same time defines my curls really well. It also adds a little bit of volume on an everyday basis. So you can see this is how my lashes are looking without any falsies. I'm going to apply a pair of falsies from these affordable Kalaili's lashes, which I picked up from Amazon, and it's a beautiful pair, guys. This is how my eyes turned out. Now it's time to add some warmth to my face, for which I'm using my Glam Pose HD Bronzer Duo. Mixing the two shades, I'm going to contour my face, just applying it under my cheekbones, on my jawline, on my forehead, on the areas where I just need to add those artificial shadows to make my face look sculpted, lifted, and it helps in making my face look less chubby. Going to contour my nose as well, and you can see this is how my contoured face looks like. For the blush today, I'm using Calabar Cheek Illusion Blush in the shade Sweet Scarlet. This is my all-time favorite blush. It's a beautiful kind of dusty rose blush which is having completely earthy undertone with lots of browns in it, and can be paired up with most of your eye looks, guys. With this kind of warm copper eyes, it looks so beautiful. I'm going to apply a little bit of this on my nose and a little bit on my chin as well. For the highlighter today, I'm using Kiro Beauty Prism Perfect Highlighter, which is one of my favorite highlighters, guys, because of how it actually looks on my skin. So it just adds that beautiful glow from within kind of look. It doesn't look blotchy, patchy on the skin. It doesn't have shimmer particles, chunky glitters in it, and it's so soft. It's very smooth to apply. So I'm going to apply it on the highest points of my face, and also going to apply a little bit in the inner corner of my eyes, although I have used a champagne shade from the eyeshadow palette as well. So just in order to match everything, I am applying it on my brow bone as well, and this is how my highlighted face looks like. Love it to bits. So for my lipstick, I'm using another Kiro Beauty product, and this is the Kiro Beauty Non-Stop Airy Matte Liquid Lip Color, and this is in the shade Nutmeg Nude, and it's a beautiful true brown nude color which is having brick hints, having rich warm brown undertone, and it gives you 100% matte finish without drying out your lips. At the same time, looks so beautiful with most of your copper toned eye looks, warm toned eye looks, or just with your smoky eyes. Surely you can wear a red lipstick with this look, guys, and it will be looking amazing on you. This shade is an amazing one. Now to set to my face, I'm using Pack Fixation Makeup Setting Spray, one of my favorite makeup setting sprays. It helps in reducing all the powderiness that I have on my face, and you can see it's looking glowy as well. So I really like how it turned out. I have paired this look with a gorgeous pair of hoops. So that's all, guys. This is my take on this year's Christmas makeup look, which I have created for you. I hope you really like it. Do not forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel for getting more of these videos. Merry Christmas to every one of you. We'll see you soon in my next video. Take care. Bye, guys.